Hi, I'm Kerry from eSpares and I'm going to show you in this video how to replace a washing machine door hinge on a Whirlpool appliance that might be worn or broken. If the hinge is visibly worn or damaged, then you'll need to carry out a washing machine door hinge replacement. Luckily, you can replace the door hinge at home by yourself without needing to call a repair professional. So let's take it step by step. To replace a damaged washing machine door hinge on a Whirlpool appliance, you will need a Torx T15 screwdriver, a 7mm socket set, and of course you'll also need a new door hinge. So we'll include a link to where you can buy one in the description below. And remember, safety first. Always make sure you switch off your appliance and unplug it from the mains before carrying out any work. Let's get stuck in. Firstly, you'll need to remove the old hinge from the door assembly, and to do this you'll need your Torx T15 screwdriver to remove the hinge screws, 4 of them right down here. The door will now come away from the old hinge, so pull up and lift away. With the door removed, you can now remove the old hinge by using your 7mm socket set to remove the 2 hinge bolts. Now it's time to fit your new door hinge. Before you buy a door hinge, you need to make sure that you know your washing machine model number to make sure that you get the correct part for your make and model of your washing machine. If you're not sure what the model number is or where to find it, don't worry. You can check out our video of finding your washing machine's model number here to get you in the know. To fit the new hinge, simply reposition it and use your 7mm socket set to screw it into place with the 2 bolts you removed earlier. Now you can go ahead and reattach the door assembly to the hinge. Now you can secure the door by refitting your door screws. And there you have it. All there is to changing a Whirlpool washing machine door hinge. Now that your washer is back in shape, it's a good idea to make sure that you're using it efficiently to get the best results for the lower costs. To learn more, check out our video down below for energy saving tips for your washing machine. Before you go, make sure you subscribe to our channel for appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.